problem, it is also linear equation but non-linear will say. Whatever previous problem, before previous problem we learn linear problem only. In this paper you got 3 questions from linear topic, linear differential equation, 2 problems directly from linear topic, linear differential equation. This is non-linear. Why? Because it's having y and dy by dx and y to the power of n we having. I am converting this non-linear differential equation into linear. That is I am taking y square this side, that is going to be dy by dx 1 by y square minus y divided by y square equal to sin x plus cos x. That is going to be 1 by y square dy by dx minus 1 by y equal to sin x plus cos x. See here I am taking here plus into minus. I am taking as this is a z. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, but minus 1 by x derivative is going to be minus 1 by plus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by y is z. The derivative of z is nothing but 1 by y square dy by dz. That is nothing but it is going to be dz by dx. That's indirectly. If you take this is as z, you will get this is as dz by dx. That is dz by dx plus z equal to sin x plus cos x. Now this is a linear differential equation in variable z. Z లో ఉన్న linear differential equation ఇది indirectly that it's also having p here. Indirectly we can write dz by dx plus pz equals to q. Here p equals to 1, q equals to sin x plus cos x. Now based upon that we are writing the solution for z. Z into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor whole dx plus c. Here now z into integrating factor I am writing directly, that is I will write here integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx, that is nothing but e power 1 integration is going to be x, that is e power x equal to integral q equal to sin x plus cos x into e power x dx plus c. See, it is in the form of integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Answer is going to be e power x into f of x. Here f of x is sin x derivative is cos x, e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Z is nothing but just we taken, that is minus 1 by y into e power x equals to here e power x into f of x is sin x plus c. Here the equation is based upon y, we have to convert this is into y. I am writing here, see how it's going to be. If I take e power y this side, minus 1 by y equals to e power x divided by e power x, you will get sin x plus c by e power x is nothing but we can write e power minus x. It is 1 by y, I am writing reverse, that is y that to minus equal to 1 divided by sin x plus c into e power minus x. Or either I am taking this term into like this, okay, right? If I take minus this side, it's going to be 1 by y equal to minus sin x minus c e power minus x. If I multiply with minus, that is y equal to 1 divided by here plus c and minus c and okate c e power minus x minus sin x we can write. Minus c we can write as plus c. This is going to be present here option, that is going to be fourth one. You can write here minus here, minus half also sometimes we get also, that is minus half c e power minus x plus sin x also is going to be, right? That is going to be your answer indirectly, but by using this non-linear differential equation we convert into linear differential equation. Let's see other problem. Coming to this problem, given by substituting x and y, this equation is going to be converted into homogeneous differential equation. Actually, homogeneous differential equation is nothing but dy by dx equals to f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous function. When means if f of x comma y is homogeneous function of degree 0, homogeneous differential equation, this is homogeneous differential equation. To say this is homogeneous differential equation, compulsory whatever the ER function is there, that homogeneous function of degree 0 and all. Sorry, we'll say by using this. First of all, you have to convert whatever given differential equation into like this. I'm taking this minus term this side. It's going to be y minus x plus 1 into dy equal to y plus x plus 2 into dx. That is, I'm taking dx this side, this total on this side. That is dy by dx equals to y plus x plus 2 divided by y minus x plus 1. Now I am substituting those values. Now replace y with capital Y plus k plus capital X plus h plus 2 divided by capital Y plus k minus capital X minus capital H plus 1. I am writing here, this is as a here y plus x plus h plus k plus 2 divided by y minus x, y minus capital X plus k minus h plus 1. To say homogeneous function, the degree of these two values, after substituting these values, this is going to be homogeneous. Now it is a homogeneous differential equation. To say homogeneous differential equation, these values, the constants h plus k plus 2 is going to be 0 and k minus h plus 1 is also going to be 0. These two are going to be zeros. Then only it is said to be homogeneous differential equation. By solving these two equations, you can get h comma k values. Simply here I am replacing here h equal to k plus 1 we can write from this one equation. Now I am replacing h with k plus 1 here. K plus 1 plus k plus 2 equal to 0. That is 2k plus 3 equal to 0. K equal to minus 3 by 2. By finding k only you are going to get here k equal to the second value 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here in second option the second value is going to be minus 3 by 2. That's why answer is going to be minus 3 by 2 only. Only 1 is presented. You can find h also by substituting here. H equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Simply minus 3 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. H value minus 1 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Answer is going to be h comma k values are going to be minus 3 by 2. Or h equal to minus 1 by 2. K equal to minus 3 by 2. Here to say always homogeneous function, whatever the value is going to be, what function is going to be homogeneous function of degree. Homogeneous function means numerator, indirectly here we having numerator and denominator, both numerator degree denominator degree both are equal, then only you will get degree is going to be 0, right? That's why we are saying numerator degree denominator degree both are equal. That's why we are equating these constants as equals to 0. Let's see other problem. Let's come into this problem. Given this one, indirectly is asking particular solution. This is a representation of particular solution. But a given function, that is asking what particular solution of indirectly 6e power 2x into sine 3x divided by d square minus 4d plus 13. See, e power ax is there only, we will write in place of indirectly, simply we will replace d with a, then you will get an answer. If sine is there, we will write d square equal to minus a square, you will get an answer. But both functions are given, it's one more model. That is, I am giving you a model, that is, if e power ax into, here trigonometry function I am checking as v, it may be sin x, sin ax or cos ax, like that. If you are getting divided by f of d is there, we will write we are substituting e power ax into v divided by, or 1 divided by, we can write 1 divided by f of, here we will replace with d plus a into whatever the function is there. Same I am modifying that is going to be, I am writing this particular integral, that is going to be, particular integral is nothing but, your solution is nothing but 6 into e power 2x into 1 divided by d plus 2, a equal to 2, d plus 2 whole square plus minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 13 into sine 3x. We are not applying this value into this one. Now we will apply here, that is 6 e power 2x into 1 divided by here d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 4d minus 8 plus 13 into sine 3x. Now simplify this, 6 e power 2x into 4d minus 4d is get cancelled, that is minus 13 minus 8 is nothing but what? Indirectly it's going to be 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9, 1 by d square plus 9, d square plus 9 into sine 3x. We have a formula that is nothing but sine ax divided by d square plus 9, where indirectly d square equal to d square plus a square, nothing but simply d square equal to minus a square. If you substitute, we are going to get, we have a formula that is nothing but simply x by 2 integration of sin ax, or we can write directly answer minus x by 2a cos ax. To remember, just I am giving here sin ax integration is minus cos ax by a, that x by 2 to multiply simple answer rastam. With that, this particular solution is nothing but 6 into e power 2x into, it's nothing but indirectly minus x by 2 into a equal to 3 cos 3x. This is going to be 6 get cancelled, that is going to be minus x into e power 2x into cos 3x is going to be your answer. Let's see where it is. The first option is going to be your answer. It's sine, it is cos, but it's not having minus, it's having minus. That is going to be your answer. Don't get confused. Sometimes you will get confused with this minus. That's why I'm giving here formula, that is integral of whatever remaining function. That is sine integration is going to be, you can remember that is minus cos ax by a. Or a cos is there, it's going to be integration of cos always is going to be sine. Let's see other problem. Coming to this problem, it's a Laplace transform problem, but it is defined from 0 to pi. But 0 to pi, it's going to be sin t. Greater than pi always is going to be 0. Means greater than pi means up to anything. Right? First we have to find Laplace transform for this indirectly. That is Laplace transform of f of t is nothing but integral 0 to infinity f of t into e power minus st dt. Up to 0 to infinity, it is also 0 to infinity is there, but 0 to pi is this one. After pi, up to infinity, it is going to be 0. That's by using this indirectly 0 to pi, its f of x is going to be sin t into e power minus st plus dt plus integral pi to infinity, it is going to be 0 into e power minus st dt. 0 into something is going to be 0 only if you find a answer for this one, it's going to be good. Right? See, we have a formula here actually, that is limit e power ax into sin bx dx equals to, formula is what? E power ax divided by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Why? Because in by parts you are going to have, this is said to be reduction formula. Here in place of a we having minus s, in place of b we having 1, ఏ ప్లేస్లో మైనస్ ఎస్ ఉంది, బి ప్లేస్లో 1 ఉంది, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి, దట్ ఈస్ అ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి నౌ e power ax, that is nothing but e power minus s t divided by a square minus s whole square plus b is nothing but what, 1 square into a is nothing but minus indirectly minus s into sin t minus b is nothing but 1, indirectly b is going to be 1 here, 1 into cos t. In between 0 to pi you have to write. Now I am substituting the values. First of all I will substitute pi, then after 0, first upper limit if you substitute it's going to be right, that is e power minus s pi divided by s square plus 1 minus s into sin pi, always sin pi is going to be 0, sin n pi always is going to be 0, minus s into 0 is nothing but 0, minus cos pi is nothing but minus 1, always minus of minus 1 is going to be plus 1, next minus of 0 substitute just e power minus s into 0, e power 0 is nothing but 1 by s square plus 1, s square plus 1, if you substitute 0, sin 0 is going to be 0, that is minus s into 0, 0 minus cos 0 is nothing but 1, that is going to be e power minus s pi divided by s square plus 1, another one already minus into minus is going to be plus 1 divided by s square plus 1, the answer is going to be e power minus s pi plus 1 divided by s square plus 1. This is Laplace transform of your function. Is in the options it's going to be e 1 plus e power minus pi pi s or s pi, it may be 1 plus s square, always s greater than 0 only, right? That is going to be, third option is going to be your right answer, right? Let's see other problem. Coming to this problem, the Laplace transform of here is given differential equation and is asking and also given the initial condition. See, dy by dx minus 2y equal to e power 5x is there. We can write here, I am applying here, I am writing directly function, that is dy by dx minus 2y equal to e power minus 5x. I am applying Laplace transform directly, Laplace of dy by dx minus Laplace of 2y equal to Laplace of e power 5x, both side are applied. Derivative Laplace is nothing but, here we are writing s into, here y is nothing but y of s, Laplace transform of y is y of s minus y of 0. For suppose d square y by dx square means s square into y of s minus s into y dash of 0 and y of 0, you are going to get initial conditions based upon that, minus 2 into Laplace transform of y is nothing but y of s equal to Laplace of e power of 5x is nothing but 1 by s minus 5. This is y of s is there, here also y of s is there, that simply I am taking y of s common, indirectly s minus 2, I am taking y of 0 this side, 1 by s minus 5 is there, plus y of 0 is given, that is going to be 3. If you take LCM here, that is going to be 1 plus 3s minus 3 5s 15 divided by s minus 5 is nothing but what, 3s minus 14 divided by s minus 5. Here y of s into, we required y of s here, y of s is nothing but 3s minus 14 divided by s minus 5 into s minus 2. Here you will get s minus 2. See, if you check in the options, it's going to be as a factorized, indirectly partial fractions are existed for these two factors ni represent chesinaru, that is indirectly we want what, s minus 5 and also s minus 2 factor you want. Indirectly one is s minus 2, one is s minus 5, here 1 by 3, 3 by 8 by 8, 8 by 3, indirectly 8, here 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is there. That will find s minus 2 factor. First of all, s minus 2 means simply eliminating x minus 2. You are going to get, you have to substitute 2, that is 3 to the 6. 6 minus 14 is nothing but what? Minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2 minus 5. Minus 3. Minus 8 by minus 3 is nothing but 8 by 3. It is going to be, or it is going to be another. This is 8 by 3. Now partial fraction, you know, that is shortcut, that is cover up method indirectly. That is s minus 5, covering s minus 5, substituting s equal to 5. 15 minus 14, 1 divided by 5 minus 2, 1 by 3. This is going to be 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3, where it is? 8 by 3. 8 by 3, it is not 1, it is 1 by 3. Answer is going to be 8 by 3 into s minus 2 and plus 1 by 3 into s minus 5. See, it is very easy. But interlinked Laplace transform, actually Laplace of f of t always is going to be integral 0 to infinity f of t into e power minus st dt. See, base I'm converting this, whatever 0 to infinity is there, that's I'm converting into like this. By representation of Laplace we are saying the answer. For suppose I am modifying the question, here I am checking in place of x, I am checking a to understand you people easily, that's why I am taking here a, that is if I take that based upon that integral 0 to infinity sin at divided by t dt. Here a always greater than 0, that is only saying. See, I am finding Laplace of sin at by t. Laplace of sin at by t is nothing but simply, you know the formula, that is cot inverse of s by a. How you are going to get means indirectly, whenever the function that is sin at by t, if it is dividing means indirectly sin at Laplace transform of sin at is what? Simply a by s square plus a square. Indirectly s square by a square ki integration apply చేసినప్పుడు s tends to infinity integration apply చేస్తే, that is tan inverse of s by a వస్తుంది, సింపుల్ గా x by a వస్తుంది. Simply if you substitute pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by a, you will get that is indirectly pi minus tan inverse x is nothing but cot inverse x. Simply you know that is indirectly Laplace transform of f of t by t is nothing but integral s tends to infinity, s tends to infinity f of x, f of t dt, indirectly f of s ds. Laplace transform ఈ ఫంక్షన్కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి with respect to s, then you are going to get an answer. Simply by using this formula, indirectly this is nothing but what? Laplace transform of that is, if you take this as a function, indirectly Laplace of the function. If this is a function, you will write here integral 0 to infinity sin at divided by t indirectly into e power minus st dt. This is the Laplace of sin at by t. Now I am writing this is nothing but I am modifying integral 0 to infinity sin at by t into e power minus s plus 0 into t dt. I am writing in place of s, if it is 0, e power 0 is nothing but 1. In place of s, just I taken 0. Now you got this. This is equals to nothing but same thing na, that is cot inverse of s by a, but you have to take s equal to 0. S equal to 0, that is going to be an answer. That is simply cot inverse of 0. When you will get cot inverse 0, cot inverse 0 is nothing but cot inverse of 0 is nothing but you will get cot pi by 2. At pi by 2 it's going to be 0. Tan 0 is 0. Cot pi by 2 is 0. Indirectly that is going to be cot inverse of cot x is nothing but answer is going to be simply pi by 2. The answer is going to be pi by 2. Simply if you having knowledge of this, by seeing this you are going to have an answer, right? By you seeing this one, you know this formula, by using that we are saying the answer. Simply if you write in place of s0, no need of writing, also by seeing only you can say the answer. That is the problems based upon Laplace transform. Let's see inverse Laplace problems also.